Hey everyone, welcome back to 3D Step. If you're a 3D printing enthusiast or just getting started, you know that choosing the right slicer software is crucial for turning your digital designs into physical objects. So, in today's video, we're counting down the top 5 slicer programs for 3D printing. Let's jump right in.
What is slicer software? A slicer, also called a slicing program, works as a converter between a 3D model and a 3D printer. You need to get an object in an STL file after you have modeled it for 3D printing. The cutting program converts the model into a sequence of thin layers and makes a G-code record containing instructions tailored to a specific type of printer. In other words, it breaks down the object into a stack of flat layers and describes these layers as linear movements of the 3D printer's extruder, according to which the printer produces the finished product.
Starting our list in 5th place is IdeaMaker. This easy-to-use slicer is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It is perfect for beginners who are just learning 3D printing. The software was developed by 3D printer manufacturer Race 3D and is completely free. The slicer is focused on providing a convenient service. You can prepare your .stl, .obj, and .3mf files for printing in just 4 clicks. On the other hand, if you need advanced features, the software provides limitless customization. IdeaMaker is now compatible with most FDM printers on the market and can also be used as a 3D printer management platform. For example, you can monitor multiple print profiles and seamlessly switch between different print settings, as well as remotely manage the current print job. In 4th place is Simplify 3D. This slicer is a proven middleman among the 3D printing community due to its advanced features and customization options. Whether you're an amateur or a professional, Simplify 3D offers a number of tools to fine-tune your prints. This slicer was designed for professional users. It supports virtually all 3D printers. Simplify 3D has partnered with 3D printing companies in over 30 countries to support over 100 3D printer profiles. And if your model isn't on the list, it's easy enough to add it, meaning you don't have to switch slicer programs while printing on a new printer. You'll be able to pre-simulate your prints with realistic pre-print modeling to identify problems. The software automatically suggests where to add support material. Supports come off easily without special tools or further processing. The only downside is the cost, $150 for a license with a 2-week trial period. The 3rd place is occupied by Prusa Slicer. Known for its powerful slicing mechanism, this program is an indispensable aid for those who want to produce high-quality prints. With Prusa Slicer you can optimize the adjustment of the dock for complex designs and achieve outstanding results. Prusa Slicer is a very versatile and multifunctional slicer for almost any 3D printer. Prusa Slicer traces its origins back to the free and open-source Slick 3R. Prusa Slicer is a much improved and enhanced version of its predecessor and, like Slick 3R, is open source and free to use. While Prusa Slicer is often used with Prusa 3D printers, it is equally good for use with any other 3D printer. The built-in ability to slice and prepare models for SLA 3D printers certainly gives Prusa Slicer an advantage over others. You can add custom supports, set variable layer heights, and get detailed 3D printing time analysis. With its clean and easy-to-use interface, Prusa Slicer is a good choice for beginners and advanced users alike. In 2nd place is OrcaSlicer. This slicer is renowned for its versatility, supporting a wide range of 3D printers and materials. The program was born thanks to the innovative ideas of Bamboo Lab. When dissatisfaction with the original slicing software sparked a desire for a better solution, Bamboo Lab programmers took matters into their own hands, resulting in OrcaSlicer. OrcaSlicer, based on PrusaSlice, differs significantly from the others with subtle but effective enhancements that improve the 3D printing process. Users consistently praise the program for its noticeable improvement in print quality. OrcaSlicer is not just a cutter, but a complete solution that will take your 3D printing to new heights. And now, drum roll please. First place on our list goes to Ultimaker Cura. Cura is characterized by its user-friendly interface, extensive features, and constant updates. It has become an integral part of the 3D printing community, delivering reliable results in a variety of projects. The software was developed by 3D printer manufacturing giant Ultimaker and utilized by the company's user community. The software is open source and free of charge. It is compatible with most desktop 3D printers and can handle most files in the most common 3D formats such as .stl, .obj, .x3d, .3mf, as well as image file formats such as BMP, GIF, JPG, and PNG. Suitable for both beginners and professionals. Some features include path display, print time estimation, and material utilization. Advanced users can utilize third-party plugins.
This concludes our countdown of the top 5 best 3D printing software. In addition to these 5, there are a good dozen more programs from both third-party vendors and printer manufacturers themselves. Examples include Creality Print and Anycubic Slicer. Remember, your choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Feel free to share your favorite slicer in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Happy printing, and I'll see you in the next video.